Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to USDT has increased by 1.5% to 68,076.74 from yesterday, while the price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has decreased by -0.68% to 3,878.68 from yesterday's price of 3,905.06. The price of Binance Coin, BNB, to USDT has increased by 3.39% to 487.6 from yesterday's price of 471.6.
Latest news.
BNB drops below 480 USDT with a narrowed 1.78% 0.78 increase in 24 hours. Binance Bitcoin, BNB, has fallen below 480 USDT with a narrowed 1.78% 0.78 increase in 24 hours. Report. On March 8, 2024, 21:53 p.m. UTC. Ethereum network revenue surges to two-year high amid meme coin frenzy. Ethereum revenue reaches nearly two-year high, driven by meme token speculation. CoinDesk reports that Ethereum's revenue from network fees reached $193 million this week, a 28% increase from last week, and the highest figure since May 2022. Ethereum-based meme tokens such as Pepe, Shiba Inu, SHIB, and Floki, more than doubled in price over the past week, boosting on-chain activity. Trading volumes on decentralized exchanges, DEX, built on top of Ethereum jumped 40% forward to 200 billion this week, according to DeFi Llama data. However, the heightened activity has made the blockchain very pricey for users. Average transaction costs, gas fees, on Ethereum rose to as high as $28 this week, making it unusable for many users, INTO the block noted. Fees on Layer 2s, designed to scale the Ethereum network, also surged, with transactions costing as much as $1 on Arbitrum, the highest since 2022. The upcoming Denken upgrade is expected to lower transaction costs on Layer 2s to cents. Ethereum briefly topped $4,000 on Friday for the first time since late 2021, but tumbled over 4% along with Bitcoin, BTC. Recently, ETH changed hands at around $3,900, up by 5% this week, in line with the broad market CoinDesk 20 indexes, CD20, advance. Crypto investment scams in US surged 53% UTC to 3.94 billion in 2023, says FBI report. Losses from crypto investment scams in the US reached $3.94 billion in 2023, up by 53% from 2022, according to a new report by the Federal Bureau of Investigation, FBI. Overall investment frauds grew by 38% to 4.17 billion from 3.7 billion, while crypto scams account for the majority of these crimes. Fraudsters are increasingly using custodial accounts held at financial institutions for cryptocurrency exchanges or third-party payment processors, or having targeted individuals send funds directly to these platforms. Losses from investment scams became the most common internet crime in 2023, accounting for over a third of the total $12.5 billion. Former Terraform Labs CEO Kwon to be extradited to South Korea. Former Terraform Labs CEO Kwon to be extradited to South Korea. Blockworks reports that former Terraform Labs CEO Kwon is set to be extradited to South Korea following a ruling from the High Court of Montenegro. The decision is final unless Kwon's legal team appeals the ruling. Kwon's lawyer Goran Rodic wrote last month that the Minister of Justice at the time the extradition requests were received publicly stated that the request from South Korea arrived first and that the most recent decision of the High Court was erroneous. Kwon's team appealed the decision because they claimed the U.S. was not the first country to make the request. The court sided with them, vacating the prior decision. The U.S. Department of Justice confirmed to Bloomberg that the U.S. plans to contest the extradition ruling. South Korea, meanwhile, told the media outlet that they had yet to hear from Montenegro officially. The Securities and Exchange Commission's case against Terraform Labs and Kwon is set to go to trial on March 25. the date was pushed back from the end of January so that Kwon could attend. However, his lawyers, in a court filing last month, said that the extradition was taking longer than expected. Kwon was arrested in Montenegro a year ago, in March 2023, for forged documentation, including a fake passport. Kwon's lawyers did not return a request for comment. Shiba Inu, Bitcoin Cash, and Ethereum Classic lead gains in CoinDesk 20 index. CoinDesk reports significant gains for meme coins Shiba Inu, SHIB, Bitcoin Cash, BCH, and Ethereum Classic, ETC, in the bi-weekly market update. SHIB has more than doubled in value this week and is now up nearly 2.5 times month-to-date, while BCH and ETC have also performed well with increases of 38% and 28%, respectively. Chainlink, Link, and Avalanche, AVX, have experienced slower growth. Among the broad market CoinDesk Market Index, CMI, members, Pepecoin, Pepe, has continued its surge, now higher by sixfold over the past month. The CoinDesk 20 tracks the world's largest and most liquid cryptocurrencies in an investable index available on multiple platforms. The broader CoinDesk Market Index comprises approximately 180 tokens and 7 crypto sectors: currency, smart contract platforms, DeFi, culture entertainment, computing, and digitization. MIT and Harvard alumni establish Web3-focused startup Accelerator. MIT x Harvard Blockchain Accelerator established to support Web3 founders. Blockbeats reports that alumni from MIT and Harvard have jointly established a startup accelerator focused on supporting early-stage Web3 founders associated with the two institutions. The MIT x Harvard Blockchain Accelerator is a non-dilutive program, meaning it will not make any investments in the accepted startups. Sam Lehman, one of the core contributors to the accelerator, stated, "The startups we accelerate will not give us any equity." He added, "We have no plans to invest or provide funding in the short term. We are focused on pure mentorship." The Runestone auction reaches a high bid of 7.25 BTC. The Bitcoin auction for the Runestone 井号6414066倾诉 has reached a high bid of 7.5 BTC, approximately 49,500 美元. The winning bidder has 4 hours to make the full payment, or they will forfeit 10% of their bid as a deposit. The Runestone is one of the largest ordinal inscriptions in history, with a file size of 3,967,899 bytes, 3.067 兆, and was mined in block 832,947, creating the largest block record in Bitcoin history. Worldcoin plans legal action against Spain over data collection block. Worldcoin to take legal action against Spain after Data Protection Agency blocks data collection. Worldcoin, a Sam Altman-backed company, announced that it is taking legal action against Spain after a Spanish data protection agency moved to block data collection from the company. Worldcoin states that it is fully compliant with all laws and regulations governing biometric data collection and data transfer, including Europe's General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR. The company has been in consistent and ongoing dialogue with its lead data privacy authority in the EU, BLDA, for months. Worldcoin expressed disappointment that the Spanish regulator circumvented the accepted EU process and rules, leaving them with little recourse but to file suit. In a blog post, Worldcoin reiterated that it has regularly responded to BLDA requests for months and has operated lawfully in Spain and other European countries. Tools for Humanity announced the suit, according to the blog post. Despite the verification service pause, Worldcoin assured users that its World app remains available in Spain. The Spanish Data Protection Agency, AEPD, gave Worldcoin 72 hours to comply with the order to pause data collection and to destroy already collected data. The APD cited several complaints against the company, including insufficient information, data collection from minors, and the inability to withdraw consent, among other infringements. Worldcoin's Janik Priwish told Blockworks that the agency was circumventing EU law with the measure. The APD stated that the decision is based on exceptional circumstances, where it is necessary to adopt precautionary measures aimed at the immediate cessation of processing activities to prevent the possible transfer of data to third parties and to safeguard the fundamental right to the protection of personal data. The agency further noted that biometric data is under special protection due to its sensitive nature. According to the APD's press release earlier this week, Worldcoin could be barred from further activity for up to 3 months. Bitcoin drops over 4% floor after surpassing 7万美元 milestone. Bitcoin experiences rapid decline after reaching historic high of $70,000. Foresight News reports that the cryptocurrency's price fell below $67,000, with a drop of over 4% floor in the last half hour. BNB drops below 470 USDT with a narrowed 4.27% 4.6% increase in 24 hours. Binance market data reports that BNB has fallen below 470 USDT, with a narrowed 4.27% 4.2% increase in 24 hours. The US Bitcoin spot ETF experienced a net inflow of $92.3 million on February 29 th. Bitcoin, BTC, drops below 67,000 USDT with a 0.7% 0.70 decrease in 24 hours. Bitcoin falls below 67,000 USDT as trade volume decreases. On March 8, 2024, 16:03 p.m. UTC. According to Binance market data, Bitcoin is currently trading at 66,834.476563 USDT, with a 0.7% 0.70 decrease in 24 hours. XRP nears significant milestone as analysts predict potential price rally. Ripple's XRP approaching major milestone as adoption increases. Analysts predict price rally. Total amount of XRP tokens held in accounts reaches over $37 billion, representing 60% of total supply. Zero balance addresses decreased to less than 5.1 million, with increased payment volume and activation of accounts. 多个分析师预测，随着 XRP 的广泛应用，未来几个月将是非常有利于它的。MACD 和 Ichimoku 等 indicators 显示，如果 XRP 超过 0.63 美元的关键技术 resistance 水平，它将实现巨大的增长。BTC breaks $70,000 dust, sets new record high. Binance market data reports that Bitcoin, BTC, has surpassed $70,000 dust, reaching an all-time high of $70,070 dust on February 29 th. The US Bitcoin spot ETF experienced a net inflow of $92.3 million on this day.
Thank you for watching today.
Wishing you all a abundant supply of cryptocurrency. May your investments grow and thrive, and may you always be prepared to take on the challenges that come your way. Cheers to financial success and continued growth. #cryptocurrency #success